Welcome to Helsinki, Finland, and welcome to Resonari. Resonari is the building behind me, and now we will have possibility to visit and let's see what there will be inside the building. So please join me. Welcome to Resonari. Music, promising. It was really good musicians in that band. The band was called Tähtien Sota. These players, these musicians are practicing and they have this band lesson once a week, like many other musicians in Resonari. In our music school we have close to 300 pupils and they are coming once or twice a week for a lesson. We have individual lesson, we have group lessons. Mostly we are teaching so-called rhythm music, so it means we have a lot of bands. Basically, our music school is similar than all other music schools. So if somebody wants to have a hobby, and wants to learn how to play instrument, so then welcome to music school. But if thinking Resonari Music School, so maybe it's a little bit different anyway, because Actually, all of our musicians have some kind of something we're learning, maybe in concentration or in social things or in motoric or understanding or concentration. So this learning is a little bit different than so-called normal learning in other music schools. So this means for us, we just need to find the best ways how to make music possible for all. And it means we need to find individual ways for teaching, and we need to understand the individual ways of learning. And this makes teaching really interesting. We always need to be ready to find new ways. We need to be ready to use all different tools, and all the time we need to be awake. What would be the best way for this person to start learning process? I feel our teachers in Resonari, they are not only teachers, but they are making all the time development work. And I guess in this kind of field of music education, first of all, you need to be the best teacher, because you need to be ready for make changes, you need to be ready for collaboration with your colleagues, and you need to be really interested about new things in pedagogical world. And if we think a little bit more, so I feel it is so important we take care about all, and we open the doors in music schools for all learners. And basically this means, as a teachers, we need to trust the potential of learning in each person, and we need to respect everyone as a musician, even if learning in some cases would be a little bit different, or if learning is a little bit slower, if it takes more time with some. So anyway, we need to find the musician from each person and the way how to make music possible for each person. It's our task as a music teacher. Okay, we need, of course, like I told, new tools, pedagogical development work, colleagues, and of course we also need resources and good material, and maybe so a lot collaboration with other teachers, schools, and more widely in society. We need to be ready to react and always find new possibilities and ways in teaching. So basically it is or finally it's a question about the equality in learning, democracy in learning. So if everyone has equal possibilities to start playing, start learning, so it means suddenly we do have a lot of musicians in this world, and it's fantastic. Okay, if thinking how to make pedagogical, logical pedagogical teaching and learning process. So it's always a big task and challenge. In some cases, we need to start with really easy ways. Like in following video, Opa is playing a little bit new instrument, but for him it's really good starting point when he started to play instruments after rhythmical exercises. He started to understand the melodies, how instrument is working, and it gave good motivation for him to continue with keyboard and also other instruments and playing in the band. So let's check the next video. We are living really strange times because of COVID-19. And for teachers and for schools it has been a big challenge. In Finland we also had a period when all teaching was remote teaching, and in Resonari also we needed to organize everything. It was a pedagogical challenge, but also good example how good teachers we do have. They were really ready in 2 days to change the way how they are teaching. Still many practices are going on. Okay, we do not need to be in remote teaching at this moment, but in the classrooms we need to keep social distances, many times masks, and still there are some pupils and some situations when remote teaching is needed. And okay, this is not so good situation, and we are not happy because of COVID-19, but at the same time it has proved how good and how ready teachers are for changes, and how quickly they can start teaching a little bit differently. And I just believe also many teachers who have never worked, for example, in the field of special music education, I believe they would be really surprised how they will manage in that area as well, and how fun it is. In the following video anyway, you will see some COVID-19 practices from Resonari Music School.
Ja ka ja ka go le. Viimeään Viekä minut sinne, missä hän on. Mitä olen halkiessa airon. Viekä minut sinne, missä hän on. Juuri kuulla, mitä toivon ja toivon. Tumman virran soita, 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 soita. Siväinen nousee ja loppuu.
In following 3 short video clips, you will see also some examples of individual lessons. First piano lesson and how to start musical career with piano. I know this young gentleman not only plays piano but also drum set, so teaching is many-sided. Then there will be also a drum lesson and getting a feeling how music is going and how to make a good groove. And then also one example about the singing lesson, and you get a feeling how to guide this kind of talented young man in a career of singer. So some clips from individual lessons. Enjoy.
Anna sulle tehtäväksi nyt, että soita. Kuuntele, Remo, kuuntele ohjeet. Soita ja sitten laula vielä mukaan. Mitä luulet? Lähtisikö?
Joo.
Siirrytään vähän tänne päin vielä. Just siitä ja sitten tämän käden etusormella. Sitten kun... Anna mennä vaan. Muista laulaa. Voisiko naurattaa? Eihän mä yhdessä tosta. Eras, ka, ko, ja. Ihan rauhassa. Sitten tuolta. Loistat vaan ihan rauhassa. Eikä tossa missä ollut. Katsot alas maailmaan. Tuiki tähtinen iltaisin sua katselen.
Oho.
Oho.
Hienoa. Hyvä.
No hyvä. Just näin.
Just näin.
Tää oli oikein meni. Tehtävä. Remo. Kuuntele. Kuuntele. Älä katso. Kuuntele. Mikä ääni? Soita. Hyvä. Sitten Remo, mikä ääni? Remo, mikä ääni? Kuuntele. Ei oo. Missä on? Hyvä. Remo. Nyt. eteläkaveri oot. Eikö niin?
Mahtavaa.
Ja pastor on kuuluu. Just noin. Okei. Saanko olla?
Joo.
Ole. Moi moi moi. Sitten lähdetään biisi. Makeasti. Kammiosta.
Kammiosta korkeasta katselee hän maailman piiriin. Taiskua allas monta, avuoksan rauhan mieliin. Päivässä vie voittaa.
It's great if there are activities and music groups or clubs where you can enjoy music, maybe singing together and listening music together, maybe playing, for example, rhythm instruments. So of course it's fantastic, but at the same time it's so important to open the possibility for learning also. If somebody wants to learn how to play instruments, how to play together, for example, in the band. And as a teacher, we need to trust of this potential in each person to learn music. In following video, you will see one band rehearsal, and it's a good example how in group lesson also there are moments where you have this individual task and individual teaching. So all the time when you are in the music school, it's goal-oriented work, and our aim is to find the ways how to be a better musician all the time. Okay, so in next video, once again, good teaching and good teachers, and most of all, good musicians.
Sinne, pum pum pum, sinne alas. Just, pum pum, check. Pum pum, check. Pum pum, jalka mukaan. Pum pum, jalka. Pum pum, check. Pum pum, check. Pum pum. Okei, ja stop, hyvä. Käsi tulee yksi. Pum pum, check. Pum pum, jalka. Pum pum, check. Pum pum, check. Stop, hyvä. Käsi tulee ihan yksi. Tuu. Eiks niin? Check. Meillä on pum, pum, check. Ei jalkaa siihen. Ihan vaan. Pum, pum, check. Hyvä. boom, boom, tää. Ja boom, boom. Mennäs kerran tälleen ja ruutaan käytetään. Joo. Just. Se on vähän tempoa alaspäin. Okei, otetaan tämmönen y, ka ja y, ka, ne, boom. Boom, boom, tää. Sain taas kerran. Ja y, ka, ne. Ja.
Wow. I believe Bob Dylan would be really proud of that performance of Knocking on Heaven's Door. So, as a teacher, our task is to find the best tasks for our musicians. But we are so lucky because in music also very simple task could be really important if thinking the artistic result. With one finger you can make a big change if thinking music, a musical material. And if you are not able to use your fingers very fast, it's not a problem, because in arrangement there are so many different tasks, and you are always important part of the good show, even if you can use only one finger, or if you have not learned so a lot than maybe some other has. So in music it's easy to make arrangements for each musician. I think following video clip will be a good example of this. The guitar player is playing basic things and learning what does it mean when chords are changing. Keyboard playing is using 2 fingers, and another keyboard playing with the bass sound, he's playing with 1 finger, but having already a rhythmical task. And then there's a drummer who makes good background for the band. So after all, very simple tasks but all together it sounds fantastic. It's really good, and this band will be ready for the stage, big stage, really soon. So just check following video.
Ota koko kolmis. Just noin. Ja vielä. Ja keltainen. Ja keltainen. Ja kohta mukaan. Nosta. Hyvä. Ja. Ja lähtee. Ota katsele vieraisiin pöytiin. Ja saa vilkaise itseäsi peiliin. Kivimusta tähteen tuijottaa tavaisiin. Toivot, että joku huomaisi sinutkin. Ja kertaus pöydässäsi eroon tähän ystävään. Kaikki tietäis minun, tarinas minetään. Ja ennen taivas oli avoinna sinullekin. Ja vaihto, kunnes paha sormi tavoitti karkuliin. Ja öljyttää elämä on kertoon, silloin kun on joku, josta pitäisi. Ei tarvitse mennä nukkumaan itseäseen, itsensä unelmiin. Ja elämä on päivästä päivään, meidän pitää sinullekin. Päivästä päivään, kelon tuhkimo tekee itsestä marttyyrin. Ja keltainen jää, jos soittaa vain. Ja vielä, no, ja vielä, no. Ei vähän aikaa keltaista vielä. Hyvä, ja siihen stop.
Meinasin kysyä mitä kuuluu.
Thank you for visiting Resanari. It was a pleasure to meet you all. All the best. Take care. See you soon. Bye.